Alright guys, so we're here. Behind me is Sitjaopho Muay Thai. I've been waiting about 10 years to come here ever since I watched one of their pad work videos back in like 2015, 2016, and then just kept following them over time. Especially when there was this American here. I think his name was TJ. I don't know, he was a black dude. He was the #1 ranked American in Max Muay Thai, or one of the top organizations of local fights here, and now he's running a gym in Texas that's super successful, and his son is going to be like the next big thing, bro. You'll see. Watch out for TJ the thinking man. Anyways, this is the shape I'm currently in, day 1. Okay, I haven't trained but 3 or 4 times. One time at a boxing gym, and then maybe two weightlifting sessions, barely. Can't even call them weight sessions. And then I would just average about 15,000 steps a day walking in Bangkok, and that's about as far as my cardio regimen goes. So today's gonna be pretty fucking tough. Being that it's my first day, I don't know if I'm gonna set up a camera too much, although I would love to. I just feel a little awkward. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna get loose, get warmed up. The goal of today is just survive. Survive. Don't try to impress nobody, don't try to do anything, don't try to feel good, just survive. Okay, so wish me luck. Back at it, Hua Hin Thailand. What a great session that was this morning, you know. Pad work was great. Felt pretty good for where I'm at physically. Not really, I mean, I'm in terrible shape. That's what I mean. Terrible shape. I was able to be alright. I felt like they were looking at me a little bit, you know, obviously first time in the spot, and first time I spar, you know, one of the crews calls me. He's one of the bigger guys, and he handled me easily, but I was like just tapping him. I didn't really know what level to go, you know. I was still feeling it, and then he like turned up the volume a bit, and then he was just like, all right, so now let's work. But I was able to hit him in a manner which was still slow, right? Like if I could hit my target at a slow pace, then I can probably hit him hard, but not really. I don't know, maybe. So the plan is now go get some lunch, get some currency exchange. Got my rate, what they want to charge me at the gym. If you want to know, ask me below in the comment section. And yeah, made some friends, did some sparring, and just feeling at home. It feels good to be in this gym, you know. You don't hear any traffic. You hear the birds, smell the cows, horses, and dogs running around, and it's semi-dirty and old, and it just feels amazing. So where we're at now is I'm at Market Village, and I go to this food court because the food court's pretty good and it's cheap, and I want to try to save as much money as I can in Hua Hin, not because it's expensive, but because it is a place where you can save some money on little things like food. Accommodations ain't the greatest, but they're still fairly cheap, but everything else is fairly cheap, so we're just going to go have a nice lunch and then, I don't know, formulate a game plan and then execute. I have to go back and ask which one it was. It's this one right here. It says the seafood of Thai. Tom Yum Talay.
Yum Talay.
Tom Yum Talay ครับ Tom Yum Talay. Here we go. If you don't already know, you know what it is. It's a hot, sour soup, I believe. It's not really sour, it's kind of spicy. Got some fresh seafood bits in there. Cost me 65 baht. Do the math. $1.50 roughly. $1.70. Yeah, so we're gonna eat this. And cheers to the staff who helped me out there. And make sure you come next time you come to Thailand, you come to this Hua Hin area, and you're in the Market Village, which I recommend coming here for your basic lunch, currency exchange, all
you know, a little bit of shopping, cheap food, cheap beers, good environment. It's a charming, humble town. I like this place. And training is gonna probably be the best training of my life. So might as well get comfortable here for a while. There's no need to rush around. Could always come back to Thailand and do all the stuff I don't. But this is what I'm here for now. Tom Yum Talay and Muay Thai. We will be doing all the cool stuff though, like the national parks, the caves. There's some really cool attractions over here, and I'm gonna be doing that in a few days. I'm aiming to do that probably by Saturday or Sunday on a road trip by myself. And I had dropped off the helmet to the bike guy, had him check the oil on the bike, gave him a couple cigarettes. They were happy as can be, and just offering him a couple smokes. So yeah. It's gonna be a good run over here. Just gotta stay out of trouble, and then I'll be. This will be the best 1 month run. The soup, amazing, nothing but the best. Tom Yum Talay, give it a chance. But I'm still hungry. I went with some soba noodles with some tender pork. Let's see how that's gonna look. Let's do that. Got all my stuff handled here in the market village. I got my currency exchange. I went to AIS and got my Wi-Fi from my pocket Wi-Fi topped off for another 30 days early. I didn't know how to do it. I made sure I saved the card that I got it set up with. And then when I went to go to the AIS store, I brought them the card. They just said, okay, another 300 baht, you're good for another month. That simple. You know, I wish I would have known this in Phuket. I wish this would have been a thing, because I was leeching off Wi-Fi for way too long, and I made that mistake. Just a quick note about this market village. They even have a movie theater in here. This is a really good spot to just kind of get all your needs done, all your shopping, your eating, your basic necessities stuff, you know, whatever it is, got it all. And if you want to do some shopping, they got some really cheap stuff. Not really cheap, not like market cheap, but it's cheap enough. You can spend 100, 200, 300 baht. At 500 baht, you feel like a king. But I'm not really here for shopping much clothes. You see on the bottom level, there's usually a lot more sales. That stuff, all very relatively good priced. And I'm gonna actually go see what kind of movies are playing. I mean, if Godzilla -1 is playing, I might have to watch it. I heard really good things about it. So. Enjoy the day. I don't know what we're gonna do today. I only got a little bit of battery power left, memory left, so I'm running out. You know, to think 7 years ago I was training and holding pads for my partner Saul over there in North Carolina. Now I'm here in Hua Hin, Thailand, and I'm going to Sitjaopho. I'm at this gym. My gloves are currently hanging. It's this in the same ring on the other side right there. You know, I got to train with his brother. You'll see, he'll be in the next few minutes. I got to train with him today. I got to spar with him. And believe it or not, I was landing shots. I was hitting leg kicks. Obviously, I took some shots, but they were impressed with my femur, my technique, I could tell, you know? And, I don't even want to spoil this on Instagram anymore for the people, because nobody appreciates it. I feel like I'm just telling them, but they don't give a shit. So it's like, I'm just gonna tell you guys. I'm at one of the greatest Muay Thai gyms in the country of Thailand, believe it or not. And I don't know how long this gym will be around, considering the fact I just said that. You know, who knows, anything could happen. It's a very close-knit, family-run gym. And it's twin brothers, but one of the brothers in Sweden, the other one is here, and the one who's here is absolute saint, you know, doesn't do drugs, doesn't gamble, doesn't drink, doesn't smoke, doesn't do anything. I've never met the brother, I don't know, but anyways, they're some of the best Muay Thai technicians in the sport. And I'm gonna go. I went to training today. I got the spar, I got the hit pads in the ring. Same ring I was looking at for 10 years on video, watching these fucking videos over and over and over again. And I was there, I was training. That I have more excitement about doing that than about Tiger or any other gym. Only because I've been watching these videos and I just imagine what it'd be like to be at that gym, to try and train it. I did Tiger, and Tiger was great. All I would say, I got no complaints. This is just different. This is you got to go an extra mile, if you know what I'm saying, to get to this place. And even after you go that extra mile, you got to go another extra couple miles. And I'm gonna settle in. I'm gonna settle in probably for a good solid month and a half here, at least, up to 2. And I'm gonna get as much boxing training in here as I can, just like TJ the Thinking Man did, who's doing big things in Texas with his Muay Thai Academy. And hopefully one day it'll be me who's at the successful gym, successful academy, successful coach, whatever. Too old to be a successful fighter, I think, at this point, but just taking the hand I'm dealt. That is what it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the gym in a little while, and I'm just gonna chill, and I'm just gonna soak it in, be in there for like an hour, and just watch the beauty that is the Muay Thai Sitjaopho. If you happen to see anything there in the next upcoming videos, that's just what I'm doing for the day. I'm supposed to have a date later on. See how that goes. Actual date, not no other type of date. By the way, I don't even want to talk about it, and I'll ruin this video. So yeah, we're gonna go to the gym in a little while, and then see you there.